Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline styles. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS outline style with inset value. So, in our previous tutorial, we discussed about the CSS outline style with rich value. As you can see, this is the line outside immediately after our border on the free set element. So, I'm going to be changing this to our what? To our inset value. And don't you forget something right here. The effect depends on the outline color values. So just in case you don't know, so I'm just going to use this inset value in our outline style. So let me use this inset value inside here and change our outline style to inset. Let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see when I reload my document? See the way this is looking. It's looking nice, right? So we can use this in our document just in case we need something like this, right? So that's why we use it. So practice make perfect. Please let me use this again in our body element so you can see how it looks in our body element. So I'm going to comment out this for now so we can be able to use this in our other elements. Let me use this in our body element so you can see how it looks quickly. I'm changing this to what? To inset. To insert the value of our outline style here. I'm changing it to inset. When I reload my document, it's going to remove the outline that we have inside our fit set, outside our fit set element right here. It's going to place this outside our body element. It's going to place it immediately after our red border right here. Now let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see? This is looking nice. Our outline is now displaying immediately after our red border, which we specify in our body element. Outline is the line you can find immediately after your border property. So this is how it works. Please, I want you guys to practice this. I'm using it in different elements so you guys can be able to perform anything you want to perform with it. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace and love.